Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking on my video. My name is Mrs. Mokele. Today's video, we are going to be transcribing and sounding word examples for the consonant letter B. This is the consonant letter B and it gives the sound B, 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 as in boy, baby, ball, book, buy, business, Bible, bag, bad, back, bone, beans, but. These two will give one sound. Okay, so let me transcribe them and then we sound them together. Let me open the slashes first before the transcription to make it very fast. Okay, I'll open all the slashes with red marker and then I'll transcribe with a black marker so it can show very well. This is boy, book, and then your oil will come in. Oh no, I have to close it up with my red. Boy. It is a boy, and this one is baby. Baby. This is my bill. Baby. Let me make it very good, okay? Baby. Where is my baby? And this one is ball. Look at it. Oh, sorry. This is ball. Okay? Ball. Ball. And this is book. 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 And this one is buy. As in buy of items. Okay? And this one is business. Business. Okay? Close it up. And this one is Bible. 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 I don't want to bother you with the stress mark because those that are learning. Okay, and this one is bag. Bag. And this one is bad. Bad. Close it up with my red. And this one is bag. Bag. Remember, these two will give you one sound. And this one is bone. Bone. This one is beans. This is, look at it. Beans. Your S here will change to Z. Beans. And this is bat. Bat. So you can see they are all transcribed. This is boy, baby, ball, book, buy, business, Bible, bag, bad, back, bone, beans, bat. We have 1,000 and so many examples, 1,000 and over, you know. We have word example for the consonant B. Thank you so much for clicking and watching my video. In my next video, I'm going to be bringing in the consonant C and I will transcribe word examples for the consonant C. The consonant C, this C is transcribed K. And the second transcription is for this C is S. Okay? It's always represented in sound with S or K, like center or cook. I'll bring the word examples and we will sound them together. Thank you so much. Have a great time.